How's it, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make your own container labels at home. You can see like these examples over here. Put them on lunch tins, cereal boxes, or wherever. First thing you got to do is get some paper and you're going to print the label that you want. Use any font. Just make sure it's a nice black bold. Then you're going to get some clear sellotape, or what you call it, clear tape. Make sure it's a wide one. Alright, next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take the tape and you're gonna tape it over the label that you want. Just put a nice clear, make sure it's smooth, everything's good. Then you're gonna take your scissors, cut off that tape, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna really cut around and you're gonna cut your label basically. So use the scissors just to cut around the label. Clear, cut, not a problem. There we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get a empty container. It can be plastic or anything, but make sure it's a nice wide one. Pour some water in it till basically near the top. Then what you're going to do is let's just put that bowl down, and now you're going to take your label and you're going to soak it in that water. Let's just soak it in there. Put it in, it's gonna curl up, it's gonna look a bit funny, it's gonna curl up because that's the paper curling up, but that's fine. Leave it in there for about a minute, 2 minutes, and then once you're done, this is the important part, you're gonna, behind the sticky part, you're gonna start peeling away while your hand is in the water. Peel away the paper from the tape, as you can see what I'm doing here. So you're peeling away the paper. The paper's coming off, but the amazing thing is the ink is still staying behind, as you can see. So the ink is still staying behind. Peel away all that paper. There we can go. So make sure that you've got all the paper removed. As you can see now, you've only got the tape and you've got the label there. Place it on just any towel, just to give it a bit of a smooth dry. It's just a quick dry, that's all you got to do. And now you're going to let that label rest for about a minute or 2 minutes. The good thing is that label now becomes sticky again, so you can see here it's sticking to my finger. So what you can do is now you can take that label and you can stick it to the container or the bottle or anything that you wanted to stick before, and it sticks quite nicely. So there we go, that's the cool label that you've got over there. And yeah, that's how you make your own labels. What you can also do is you can make your own stickers. So you can make children's stickers. You do this, it's the same method, and you can do that for all your kids, and you can, so it's quite cool.